For our videos in class, we use the software Screencastify. Now, you may have it installed from previous years, but if you don't, what you need to do in an open Google page here is type in Chrome Web Store. Click the first link, and you then search for Screencastify. It should be the first one that pops up there. Make sure it is the kind of pinkish and white one there. Click it to open it, and then click Add to Chrome. Add extension. Once it's installed, it'll show here that it has been added to Chrome, and it may have you sign in right away. So you'll click the puzzle piece there, go to Screencastify. I like to have it pinned, and then open it up. It'll take you to this sign-in screen where you will sign in with your JID. And if you've used it before, you will see all of your recordings here. If you've never used it, this will be empty. Then you just close the tab, and you're all set to go.